The Magnus Force Interactive Calculator helps engineers analyze the aerodynamic forces on spinning spheres in fluid flow. This calculator offers 6 calculation modes through a drop-down menu. Calculate Magnus Force, calculate lift coefficient, calculate velocity required, calculate sphere radius, calculate spin rate required, and calculate lateral deflection. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Magnus Force. The input fields include lift coefficient CL, fluid density in kilograms per cubic meter, velocity in meters per second, sphere radius in meters, angular velocity in radians per second, Magnus force in newtons, flight time in seconds, and sphere mass in kilograms. Let me walk through a calculation using these values. Lift coefficient 0.35, fluid density 1.225, velocity 42.0, sphere radius 0.0366, angular velocity 230, Magnus force 0.42, flight time 0.42, and sphere mass 0.145. After clicking Calculate, the results show Magnus force of 1.5914 newtons, cross-sectional area of 42.08 square centimeters, spin rate of 2,196.3 RPM, spin parameter of 0.200, and Reynolds number of 2.08 E plus 5. The status indicates moderate spin with significant Magnus deflection. This tool streamlines complex aerodynamic calculations for rotating spheres. Find the link in the description below.